Here it is, guys. This is my setup with the DJI Ronin SC. Oh man, I am loving this setup. As you can see, I've got the 6500 there, the Sony 6500, the Rode wireless mic. I've got my Galaxy S10 Plus smartphone device to activate the active tracking 3.0. And of course, I've got the small HD there to reframe myself. And I've got the carbon fiber Manfrotto, and I mounted it on the quick release plate over here. So as you can see, it will just follow me, guys. The camera is just literally following me. I don't need any camera crew anymore. I could just do this on my own now. Wherever I'm going, it will just literally follow me. So look at the camera. I'm gonna move to the right. What an amazing technology from the DJI Ronin SC gimbal. Check that out. Amazing, guys. There is the setup right there. See, it's literally tracing me, following me. If it loses me, it will refollow you again once you are in frame. What an amazing product.